In Module 4, we will discuss the tools needed to install the synthesis shower system. Be sure to use proper protective equipment when altering the synthesis panels. Synthesis panels will produce silica dust, which, when inhaled, is known to cause silicosis, an irreversible but preventable lung disease. Exposure to respirable silica dust may also cause other serious diseases, including lung cancer. If panels must be cut without water, a safety dust mask approved for silica dust by OSHA is required. To install synthesis products, you will need the following tooling: 5-inch electric corded angle grinder, 13 amp recommended. Battery-powered grinders should not be used. Angle grinder blade designed for cutting porcelain. 5-inch Diamax Cyclone porcelain blade or similar. Angle grinder core bits designed for cutting porcelain. Apex UCS porcelain core bit or similar. A 3.5-inch core bit for the most common shower diverters. A 1.25-inch core bit for plumbing fittings. A 3/8-inch core bit for drilling pilot holes for cutouts or accessories. A 60-grit finger bit for shaping and contouring. An angle grinder base attachment with 50-grit stone polishing pad. Wiha Matrix Drive 50 or similar. A pencil. A tape measure. A caulk gun. A 6-foot spirit bubble level and 2-foot spirit bubble level. Painter's tape. Carpenter's square. A Phillips screwdriver. A drill. An impact driver with a Phillips screwdriver bit. A spray bottle of water. 1 pair 8-inch glass handling suction cups. Eye protection. A safety dust mask approved for silica dust. Hearing protection. A 360-degree laser level, optional. Clamp or speed clamp.